What's going on, guys? Hope you're doing well. My name is Sanjeev, and on this video, I wanted to review this system by a gentleman called McMills, and the system is called Multiple Income Funnel, right? So that's what I'll be covering in this video, and you might be doing your due diligence, seeing if this is the right system for you or not, right? So that's what I'll be covering in this video. However, if you looking for my number one way that I'm actually earning income in the online space, there's going to be a link in the description, the first link. Make sure you click it and access to me. With that, you're going to get my one-on-one support as well, right? So with that out of the way, let me share my screen so I can go over the multiple income stream funnel and what you're going to be getting once you actually do decide to go ahead and buy this system. By the gentleman who actually created this was is actually McMills. He's one of the very, very successful online marketer, and he actually created this system initially for himself, and after getting a lot of success in the online space, he created this system for people to go out there, use this system and start generating income for themselves. Okay, so what it is it is a system where you can pretty much do a replicate of this program, right? You're going to be promoting this system with the multiple income stream funnel. And this system actually costs you about $49, right? So when you actually do decide, to join this system, it costs you $49 every single month, okay? And it has a community behind it where you see different people actually succeeding with this system, and pretty much it pays you 20% commissions. Okay, so now you're joining for $49, it pays you $20 commission month after month after month. Okay, so it has two different income streams in it, right? So the first beginning income stream funnel, which is the multiple income funnel, which is actually the system that you're going to be getting, costing what I actually explained, $49 a month, and you're going to get 20% $20 commission from that. Okay, and once you buy that, you're gonna get access to the group. Then after that, what happens is pretty much you can add your own income stream funnel, which is awesome. So there's like a lot of programs actually coming out every single week, and you can actually put that income stream inside this multiple income funnel. Okay, so now you actually, if you're using solo ads and you want to be promoting this actual system using solo ads, this system actually converts really, really well with the solo ads. And after someone actually buys, then you don't have to do the selling because they've actually bought this system. So now you're making $20 commission from this $49 system. And after that, there's going to be 2 or 3 different, actually 4 different income streams. So you can plug in your 2 links inside the system after this income stream funnel. So 2, you can actually add yours, and there's the last one, which is the traffic. I believe it's traffic authority. So multiple income funnel, and then after that you can add your 2 links in there, whatever system you want to promote. I've seen people actually do Live Good. They're promoting Legacy Builder program. So you can actually promote anything. You can actually plug in your system and use this system and get traffic. So the main thing is you're going to be getting traffic on a continuous basis, and pretty much McMills will actually do the selling in the first one, which you actually see here. You join the Facebook group, the community, and then after that, what happens is you can add your own system, whatever you're promoting, and that way you can be earning like income streams like 4 different ways, which is just awesome, I believe. So it is an awesome system. This system has been around for a very long time, and I believe it will actually be around for a very long time. There's like a lot of members in the community. A lot of people are actually succeeding with this system, right? So from me, it's a awesome system, and you more than welcome to actually go out there and start promoting this awesome system. So again, hope you got some value out of this video. And if you're wanting to know my number one why, how I'm actually earning income in the online space. There's going to be a first link in the description, so you can click that and access to me, and with that you're going to get my actual one-on-one support and help as well. So again, thank you so much. My God bless you, and bye for now. Tata.